Good morning, my dear students. This is your computer class, and today we will start our lesson number 2, that is more on MS Word 2007. Today we will understand about part 1 of this lesson. And students, as you know that in our previous class we have completed lesson number 1, that was about Windows 7. So kindly complete your written work into your copy and fill all the exercise into your textbook. Okay, so keep your computer book during this class because this is fully practical class. So you have to understand and you have to focus on my laptop screen. Okay, and if you have a computer at your home, you can do the practical also. So let's start today's class. Students, today we are going to understand about introduction to MS Word, inserting clip art, inserting pictures, inserting word art, inserting shapes. After inserting shape, we can fill it with multiple colors and we can also add shadow effects into shapes. So let's understand it one by one with the introduction to MS Word. Students, you know that MS Word is a word processing application software. It is a part of MS Office software package which is developed by Microsoft Corporation. Yes students, today we are using MS Office software. That software is developed by Microsoft Corporation. And in MS Office software you will find there are many kinds of application software like MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, MS Excel. So it is one of the part of Microsoft Office software package, and it is a word processing application software. Means we can create any kind of documents using MS Word software. We can write any letter, notice, stories, poem, circular, or any type of document. So it is called word processing application software. It provides various kind of formatting features whenever you create a document. So in this lesson, student, we will learn how to create professional documents using MS Word features, because MS Word provides you a multiple kinds of features. So we can use this feature for make our document more professional. So now let me understand about inserting clip art. Students, as you know that pictures make a document more attractive. If we are using pictures in a document like your book, if there is no any graphics in your book, then it is easy to understand or it is attractive? No. So we can say that pictures makes a document more attractive. So clip art is a ready-made picture gallery that comes with MS Word itself. Yes, MS Word has inbuilt a ready-made picture gallery that is called clip arts. It consists several categories. Yes students, there are many kind of categories in clip art option, like animals, like building, nature, sports, computer. So you can choose any kind of category and you can select any kind of picture that is clip art, and you can use that into your Word document. Okay, so let me understand that how to insert clip art in Word document using practical. So students, this is my MS Word program. I am using 2010 version. So your book is based on 2007. I am using 2010. So something there is different from 2007. Okay. So first of all, you have to open your MS Word. You know that after installing MS Office software, you can click on the Start button, All Programs, Microsoft Office, then you can select MS Word. You have already understand it in your previous class. So this is your Word program. Now you have to insert a clip art. So you have to use Insert tab. That is Insert tab, which is clearly you can see that. You can click on that. There is a clip art option. You have to click on that, and now you have to select all the media file and you can search by clicking the go button. Now you can see that there are many kinds of pictures are available. So if you want to use any kind of picture from this clip art gallery, you can simply click on that, just like that. You can select, you can use any kind of clip art pictures into your documents. Okay, so students, it is very easy to inserting clip art into your Word document, so your document become more attractive and more professional. Now let me understand about inserting pictures. So students, you can also insert any kind of pictures from file, means the pictures that are already stored into your computer, you can also insert it into your Word document. So let me do it using practical. It is very simple. So this is my Word document. So here I have to insert a picture. So student, whenever you want to insert any kind of picture, clip art, word art, you have to go in the insert tab. You have to click on that. Okay, this is the insert tab that comes with the home tab. Okay, this is insert tab. You have to click on that. This is the picture option. You have to click on that. This will open your store pictures that are already saved into your computer. So here you can select any kind of picture, and after selecting that you can click on the insert button. So the picture can be inserted into your document, and after inserting document there is a format tab. You can see that if you want to format this picture by applying some kind of frames, by applying some kind of effect, you can use this kind of things. Okay, just like that. You can choose any kind of designs, any kind of shadow effect, any kind of frames in this option, that is format option. Okay, so this is very simple to insert any picture into your document. Now let me understand about inserting word art. So students, word art is an option in MS Word that is used to insert attractive text in the document. Attractive text means you can type text with different styles. Okay, there are different type of colors, there are different type of shadows and rotating the text. You can use that attractive text into your document by using word art option. Using word art, we can easily type text in different styles. So student, let me understand how to insert word art text using practical. So this is my MS Word program, and here I want to insert a word art. So we click on the insert tab. There is a word art option. You can see that. So students, this word art option will differ in 2007 and 2010 version. So here when I click this, I will find that kind of option in 2010. So you can select any kind of style that you want, just like I am selecting this. Now you have to insert any text here. Now I am inserting text that is computer. So you can see that here my computer text become very attractive by using this feature. If you want to fill with another color, you can choose. Okay, just like that. You can choose any kind of design. You can choose any kind of effect like glow effect. Okay, 3D rotation. You can choose. Okay, any kind of option. As you can see that on the screen. Okay, you can also change the color of text like that. Okay, so students, it is very easy to use word art into our document. We can also fill the background color. We can also change the text color. We can also give an effect on the particular text by using word art style using format option. Okay, so students, all steps are very clearly given into your book. If you have a computer, then you can apply all the steps for performing these practical. Okay, and those students have not computer at their home, don't worry. Whenever our school will reopen, we will perform all the practical part during the class. Okay, now let me understand about our next topic, that is inserting shapes. So students, MS Word has inbuilt group of ready-made shapes also, like circle, square, triangle, star, banners, arrow, rectangle. So there are many kinds of shapes that is already available in the MS Word. You can use these shapes into your document whenever you require, and we can easily add these shapes into your Word document to make it more attractive and more professional. And students, we can also fill that shape with colors, and we can also give shadow effect in that. So let me understand it using practical. So this is my MS Word program, and here I want to insert shape. So I click on the insert tab. There is a shapes option. Now you can see that there are different type of shapes, and that shapes are grouped into various categories like equation shapes, flowchart shapes, stars and banners, callouts, basic shapes, rectangles. So you can use any kind of shapes. Like I am taking smiley shape, that is the basic shape. So we can draw it by clicking left key of the mouse, just like that. Now you can fill it. You can use this shape fill option, that is in the format tab. You can choose any kind of fill color like that. Whenever you point out your mouse pointer on any color, your shape will look like that color. Okay, you can use any color. You click on that color. Okay, by clicking on that particular color, you can fill your shape. Now if you want to add a shadow effect, then this is the shape effect. There are multiple type of effect like shadow effect, reflection, glow, soft edge, 3D rotation. So you can use any kind of effect like that. Shadow, here I am using shadow. So this is shadow, and if you want to apply the glow, then you can use this. Students, you can see the difference. Okay, this is the glow effect that I apply on this shape. So similarly, students, these options are available in the format tab. This is the format tab. Whenever your shape will inserted into your document, this option will automatically come. In this option, you can also fill your shape. You can also change the outline of your shape, and you can also add the effect on your shape. This is the option for changing the outline of the shape color, just like that. I can change any color in the outline. Okay, so you can use it. So this is for today's class, students. I hope you all have understand these points. Now this is the time for your homework. So you have to revise all these explained points of today's class from your book, and if you have computer at your home, you can do practice for that, because students, this is fully theoretical. This is fully practical class. So with the theory, practical is very important in computer, you know that. So if you have computer, you have to do practical, and complete your lesson 1 written work into your copy. You have to write only the question answers into your copy, and you have to fill up all the exercise into your textbook with pen. Okay, so complete your written work and never miss computer class, because in a week computer there is only 2 computer class. So student, this is very important subject for your life, for your future. So don't miss computer class. Okay, I hope you will take care about these things. Thanks for taking this class. If you have any doubts, students, you can ask me anytime. You can call me on my personal number, or you can message me. Stay home, stay safe, have a nice day. Thanks.